Welcome back, everybody. Thanks for clicking on another video, tuning back in. We're hopping on the KLX300 for another ride here. Oh, cannot do a stoppie on this thing. The front suspension is just too soft on this thing. It's funny because on my Z125 I can do it like it's nothing. It was so weird right here. There was a car just dipped off into the woods like 2 days ago, and it was sitting there for like a solid 2 days just with their lights on. The lights just stayed on. It was so weird. Just had a little caution tape. It looked like someone might have abandoned it. Probably happened late at night. Woohoo! Drop it on back. Can't make it around that curve. We're headed to check out some new local little riding spots. Hopefully it's some trails. I was on the boat on the lake the other day and saw little spots on the power lines. We're gonna go check it out, but it looked like a nice little trail, so we're gonna go see what's up with that. So I think we can get to it from the very back of this neighborhood. We're gonna find out real quick. Like, really, bro? Going 30 miles an hour to 33 miles an hour? Is it really gonna bug you that bad that it's a 25? Come on, man. If I'm going 15 or more over, look, I get it. Woo! These are actually pretty fun on the KLX. I haven't been back here on the KLX. But this is just a little trail to get back there. Woo. Real rocky. Here we are, and this is where I was on the lake the other day where I saw it, and I was looking at these trails over here on these power lines. We're gonna have to kind of weave through the woods and try to find them because I swear I saw a trail over on these power lines. But yeah, I've been over here in one or two other videos. If you saw the Z125 where we took the two Z125s back here and off-roaded them to get back here, that was a fun video. But we're gonna try to, it looks like that creek goes pretty deep on that side, so let's go ahead and try on this side first, see if we can kind of weave our way around to those power lines. Oh yeah, we got a little trail going this way, but I think we're gonna have to go off the beaten path. Whew, real rocky. Oh, we got a little creek we're gonna have to cross. All right, well, here's where it gets off the beaten path. So let's see what we can do here. Whoop. Ah. Oh shit. And we got a little creek down there, so definitely don't want to drop the bike and let it go down there. Ugh. All right, reposition here. I think this is like this is some loose stuff right here is what it is. Shit. Okay. Alright, I see a little trail up there, so that probably would have been the move. Let's see if we can make it up there. All right. Okay, yeah, it looks like we're coming out onto the power lines here. Oh yeah, so I was looking at, from the water, I was seeing the trail that goes up here. So we're gonna go check out up here. See if it goes anywhere. Well, that wasn't much of anything. Single track stuff. This is pretty cool. Whoop. That looks like it just goes down to the water. Oh yeah, this is cool stuff. I've never really been over on these trails at all. This is awesome little spots. Okay, so we came out over there. It just doesn't come straight down here. Kind of weaves through here. This is awesome. But yeah, y'all, I'm pretty excited. I'm going to be going to the track this weekend. And I'm going to be taking the KLX along. And the goal is to do a little part 2 of the KLX at the motocross track. That was a fun video on my channel back, it's probably been about 6 months now, but that was a really good video. And if you haven't seen that, go check it out. This thing actually did some decent jumps at a little motocross track. But we're gonna be taking it to a different track and seeing what it's about again, putting it to the test again. I will say that 13.2 sprocket would probably be pretty nice because I can just kind of chill in second gear, whereas second gear right now has just that little bit of lag in picking up when you're slowed down so much you're almost stopped. So I think that 13 tooth would be nice for that, but we're making do out here. This is awesome. Wonder how far this goes. This is nice and tight stuff, which I like. That single track tighter stuff is definitely some of my more favorite type of trails. Came by another cove. I love these trails that are right on the lake too. They're so beautiful. Whoa! What happened here? Oh, whoa, it goes up that way? I think we can go up and around here. Little creek crossing. There goes my damn freaking fender. That's just awesome. Could be a worse issue, I guess, but that's not fun. All right, let's see what we got going on here. Assess the situation. Let's move this. Just one of those days, I guess. We're gonna try to get the bike up here. I'm looking on the map, and it looks like there's a road right up here. Gonna be that way. So I'm gonna get the bike up on this trail and then try to head out that way for the road, because carrying that thing in my pocket or trying to stuff it in my waistband is not working. So we're gonna get the hell out of here, but it might be a little adventure getting out of here. So let's see. It is a pretty little creek that runs into the lake here, I will say that. I'm gonna take this thing up here to where it gets a little easier so I can just kind of grab it. Yeah, we'll put it up there. That should do. Now the fun part. Yep. Let's see if we can. Nope. This might be where I start to admit that my rear tire is done. Alright. Let's try to get up here and head towards the road while somehow cradling this thing. Very, very carefully. Okay. I think the road's gonna be right up this way. Alright, let's get on these power lines right here, and then I should be able to... Oh yeah, I see some type of something over here. Okay, there's the road right there. Whew. That was a whole deal right there. Holy crap, we're kind of far away from where I started too. We made it a long way on that little single track trail. Ooh, that's a Ram TRX. That's a nice truck. Somehow though, it looks like I didn't... This has been broken up here, this part of the plastic right here, but it's actually not cracked down here where the bolt actually goes, so it holds fine. This one is not cracked either, and this one is just missing a little rubber grommet, so I just need to get a little spacer in there, and should be able to bolt them right up. I don't know how they slipped out, but as y'all saw, it was kind of just pulling against that tree and just completely flung it out. So not too bad, actually. We should be able to bolt this thing right back on, which is good. Well, I just checked the map and we're not too far off. I know where we are, so I'm gonna tuck this guy under my shirt and see if we can't make the ride home. But I've also been thinking about doing the mod where you the secondary throttle plate removal, I think it's called. And it basically just limits it. So if you give it like full throttle, it basically just regulates it and makes it roll on slower, from my understanding. So I'm looking at doing that mod. I haven't seen any YouTube videos of people doing that mod, so maybe I'll make a video out of it. Let me know if you guys would be interested in that. And if you've done it yourself to your bike, let me know how it went and if it's easy or if it's a pain in the ass. But thinking about doing that here soon. Alright y'all, well I'm uncomfortably sitting with this thing in my shirt. We made out all right though. Actually didn't even break the plastic, it just kind of pulled it through. So we're gonna get this thing home, get her all fixed up, and I hope y'all enjoyed at least watching my struggle. So definitely be sure to leave a like on the video. I definitely broke a sweat on this one. And subscribe for more videos, post Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I got the levers linked in the description, the foot pegs, all that good stuff. So be sure to check the description for the links to all that good stuff. And other than that, guys, I'll see y'all in the next video.